Asset owners and media library administrators can replace a file with a new version of that file. When a file is replaced, any links to the old version of the file will automatically display the new replacement file. While links remain the same, the new file will have a fresh set of analytics beginning at the moment you replace it. If you've made copies of a file to several media libraries and then replaced that file, only the copy you replace will change. The ones in other libraries will still be the original version of the file. To replace a file, navigate to the media info page for the file by clicking the three dots to the right of the file name, then select Settings. Once you're on the media info page, if you're the asset owner or media library administrator, you should see a Replace Media link in the upper left of the screen, below the upload date information. Click Replace Media. You'll now be asked to either upload or record the replacement file. Once you've uploaded or recorded the new file, you'll be able to give it a new name and description if you'd like. Now that the file has been replaced, anywhere the original file was embedded will show the replacement file, and any links to the original file will now point to the replacement file as well. The replacement file's title and description will override the original file's title and description if you make any changes. Note that depending upon your library's sort order, your new replacement file might appear at the top of your library view because it's technically the newest upload, even though it's replacing an older file.